Hey everyone, Jeremy here, back with another RV Essential review. Today we're checking out something that every RVer needs, surge protection. Let's dive into my experience with the Kohree 30 amp surge protector. Right out of the box, Kohree keeps it simple and practical. The unit is compact, but don't let that fool you. It feels solid and ready to take on the road. The instructions are straightforward, but really this thing is just plug and play. I love that it got these easy to grip handles, especially handy when you're setting up in the rain or cold. The weatherproof cover is another nice touch, especially for us full-time RVers who see all kinds of conditions. Alright, now for the real test. Let's plug it in and see what it is like in action. The LED lights on the unit give you a quick read on your connection. Green lights, we're good to go. It checks for things like reverse polarity or faulty wiring, and as soon as it is plugged in, I got the all clear. The peace of mind knowing this little guy is protecting my RV from electrical surges, that's priceless. Kohree has really delivered a solid product here, folks. So if you're looking to protect your rig from electrical issues while you're out on the road, I definitely recommend the Kohree 30 amp surge protector. Simple to use, reliable, and at a great price point. This is a must-have. Check out the link below for more details. Safe travels.